For the demonstration, let me discuss in brief 5 highlight features of SRX. Number 1. Speed for higher productivity. Number 2. The centering system to align the product for consistent infeed. Number 3 is the automatic double roll film system for time and cost efficiency. Number 4, the outfeed long heated conveyor and rolling presser for firm and secure wrapping. And number 5 is the linkage with DIGI labeler for easy operation. I will go over them one by one. Let's look at highlight number 1, which is high-speed performance. The maximum production speed is 60 packs per minute, although the actual production speed is estimated at 40-45 packs per minute, depending on certain circumstances. Next is highlight number 2, the automatic centering conveyor. Let me show you how. If I choose different tray, the guide will move like this. If I choose a different one, move like this. This mechanism fixes the alignment of the products as they enter the machine to ensure consistent infeeding and reliable wrapping with beautiful finish. The width guide automatically adjusts based on the preset tray data, thereby eliminating the need for manual adjustment. This ensures reliable wrapping with beautiful finish. Double roll film system is our third highlight. Using narrow film for smaller trays and wider film for bigger trays improves time and cost efficiency, as well as ensures attractive product presentation. The two film system automatically select the right film for the tray call tab. If the two films are the same width, the automatic switch between the first roll and the second roll can be set when the first roll is finished. This effectively reduces the downtime and allows the labor-free operation. Highlight 4 is the long-heated conveyor, which works in tandem with the tray presser. The height of the rolling presser automatically adjusts to the height of the tray through presetting. This guarantees tight, secure, and beautiful wrapping finish, ready for long transport. Highlight 5 is a data linkage with DIGI automatic labeler. With this linkage, there is no need to separately call up the same tray information for SRX and for the labeler. Once the tray information is called up on the labeler, the same tray information will be set on its SRX pair. Any error on the labeler will automatically trigger the SRX to hold production. With this linkage, we can achieve seamless and easy operation. In addition to the aforementioned functionalities, we would like to show how user-friendly the SRX is. First, let me show you how to change the film. Just open the cover, push down the film change lever, and remove the film cord. Next, load the new film following the procedures indicated by numbers. After that, place the film end on the setter and close the cover. Finally, release the emergency button. It's quick and easy. Anybody can do this in no time, even without special training. When it comes to maintenance, the SRX is designed to allow easy cleaning. The cover can open wide for easy error removal. The infeed section is also detachable for easy cleaning and hygienic use for a long time. The console of SRX is 5600 series with Linux OS for system flexibility and extensibility. Error detection using minute camera is available as an option. Error signal activates the camera to video record any unexpected error 20 seconds before and after it happens. Our service people can check the video on the display of SRX. This shortens the process of error identification and repair. Downtime due to the machine breakdown is the worst trouble besetting the food processing factories. This solution, minimizing the downtime, is definitely music to our customers' ears. Now, let me demonstrate all the highlights or features which I just introduced, so you can see for yourself the excellent performance of SRX. As you have witnessed, SRX is revolutionary high-speed inline wrapping solution, which bears DIGI's long experience and ingenious food wrapping technology. SRX is especially designed to meet the growing demand for high-mix, low-volume production. The automatic centering alignment, double-roll film system, 5600 console flexibility, and data linkage with DIGI labeler ensure time and cost efficiency, as well as firm and secure wrapping. We can confidently say that SRX is the perfect workhorse for central food processing facilities and produce packers.